G'day dads, welcome to Cooking with Cameron, coming on the Father channel. Time to open up. Let's get into the kitchen and let's have a go at a quick and easy chicken stir fry. Well, g'day dads, great for you to join us in the kitchen tonight. Hope you're having fun, hope you're having a play around with some leftovers. Been doing a few leftover videos lately, but again tonight we're stepping away from leftovers, but I'm actually redoing, maybe a little bit reinterpreting a recipe that my wife did last night, and it's a teriyaki chicken stir fry without using teriyaki sauce. Go figure. Anyway, it's pretty simple. Soy sauce, and excuse the container, but brown sugar. Apparently, that's teriyaki sauce. So what are we doing? We're gonna have, again, I've got lazy. Well, I've just bought, instead of dicing up chicken, we wanna do it quick. We wanna be quick and nasty, so to speak. We've just got some diced leg meat. And again, we like that red meat because it stays juicy. But what I'm gonna do is, I'm just gonna throw that into the saucepan, mixing bowl, just into a bowl, and we're going to coat it in flour. It's going to give it a little bit of a crispiness, and it's also going to help when we put the sauce in to thicken up the sauce. Now if you've got the kids with you, this is where you say, hey, throw some gloves on and get into it. You could possibly even use rice flour for this. Wifey's already got me my knife. I've got this big onion here. I'm not doing, what we got, how much? About 500 grams of chicken, so I'm not going to do this whole onion. As you can see, Dad's just roughly chopping stuff, but I'm also thinking in my head, bite size stuff. Yeah, you could eat this with a spoon or a fork. You don't need to have a knife with you. So I think we've run out of capsicum. I would have put some capsicum in here, but forgot to get some. Right, it's time to get cooking. Now, stir fry. It's all about quick cook. High heat, quick cook. So, if you've got an electric wok, use one of those. I've got one of those, but tonight I'm just doing it on the fry pan. Now, while that's heating up, what have we got there? About 150 ml of soy sauce. Another 100 ml of water. Two tablespoons of sugar, brown sugar. So we're just going to brown off the chicken. That's going to take a few minutes. Right there, Dads, that's just about browned very nicely. Time to add the broth. We're going to bring that back to the boil. This is a very wet recipe. It's not a dry recipe. Sometimes you get a stir fry, they're quite dry. This one we are actually after that moisture in it. So it doesn't take long to come back to the boil. So we've done the garlic, the carrots and the onions. Stirring those through. And again, we're just going to cook this down. We'll keep the broccoli, so we'll put the stalks of the broccoli in because they're crunchy. They take a little bit longer to cook than the heads. Alrighty, Dads, that's reduced down. We're going to throw the broccoli heads in. Cook it just for a couple of more minutes. So Dads, the broccoli's in. That's only going to take a couple of moments now to cook down and be soft but still firm. So we've got our chicken drumstick meat. We've got some onion, we've got some broccoli, we've got some carrots. You can put whatever veggies in. Capsicum goes really well with this. Now looking at my colours, I've got greens, oranges and whites. I'd probably use either a yellow capsicum or a red capsicum just for that colour. Now I also, because I like cashews, I'm just going to throw some cashews in. These are again for that crunch, just for that texture. A couple of handfuls. Put peanuts in. I like cashews more than I like peanuts. And the reality is, Dad, so we've got soy sauce with some brown sugar, some water, we've got garlic. If you want a bit more heat, you can put some chili into it. But that's just about ready to serve up. Just got to wait for the rice to cook because I didn't do my timing right. Started the rice too late. So I'm just going to leave it there, Dads. Better taste test it first. That's going to be hot, isn't it? There's that salty soy taste in there with a little bit of sugar. Gives you that teriyaki sort of flavour. Anyway, Dads, till next time, keep being great dads.